Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the PrimaPure Premium Filtration Water Filters. This is a 2-pack. The model number is PHILIPS AquaClean CA6903. And this is compatible with PHILIPS Espresso machine, AquaClean. And I will be putting this into a Gaggia Bablia espresso machine myself. So let's check out this filter. So according to this replaces the AquaClean CA6903 and the CA6903/47. And on the side here it says it's used to replace filters in your Philips and Seiko espresso coffee machines. You must replace this filter cartridge every 3 months. And it says here, premium quality coconut shell activated carbon removes chlorine, odor, THMS, and provides better taste. Non-sodium ion exchange resin helps reduce lime scale buildup and offers absorption to heavy metals such as copper and lead. Unique interior structure reduces carbon fines, offers your espresso machine a longer service life, and guarantees you a tasty coffee experience. Patented triple zone filtration technology protects your machine and significantly reduces the need for descaling. And it says here, only use water filter cartridge to filter tap water. Store replacement water filter cartridges in a cool and dry place in their sealed packaging. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. And you get, again, this was a 2-pack and both of them are individually sealed. And you also get a manual or something, an instruction guide. So let's go ahead and see what this has to say. Okay, so it's got some important information about the water filters, some caution here, and it tells you how to prepare for use. So you need to remove the filter cartridge from the packaging, immerse the cartridge upside down in cold water, press the sides of the filter gently to let out air bubbles, remove the water tank from the machine, and insert the cartridge vertically onto the cartridge connection. Make sure the cartridge fits tightly and the seal is in the right position to guarantee the best performance. It says here, insert the cartridge under humid conditions for best performance. It says fill the water tank with fresh water. If you need to rinse the cartridge, let half a liter of water flow out from the steam tube of the espresso machine and discard the water. Okay, so just tips, informationals here. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's install this into my espresso machine. Okay, so let's prep this for first use. Do make sure that you wash your hands first since this will be going in your machine. So you want to go ahead and dunk it so that hole is up facing upwards. Let it submerge. I'm letting all the air escape right here. As you can see, it's bubbling out. Trying to make sure all the air is out first. Okay, it looks like all the air is out. So now let me go ahead and get my water tank out of my machine. Okay, so at this point, go ahead and remove your old filter. Go ahead and insert your new one. Press down, make sure it's got a nice solid seal to it, which it does. I'm gonna go ahead and discard this water. And all that's left is to refill this water with clean water, and that's it. That's all you have to do in order to prep it and install it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you guys have any questions at all about these PrimaPure filters, please feel free to ask me in the comments below and I will try to answer you to the best of my ability. Until then, hope you guys have a great day and y'all stay safe out there.